Hey, loves, have you ever tried making a digital journal? Before the trend of going paperless took off, I had a habit of collecting stickers and colored pencils. The vibrant colors and my ever-thickening notebook gave me a sense of accomplishment. However, it wasn't quite convenient enough, so I switched to creating a digital journal. After mastering the technique, I found that digital journals are much more convenient than paper ones. The device I'm using is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 with an S Pen. Before we start, you need to make sure that the S Pen to text option is turned on in your tablet, which is crucial. Next, I will state 5 reasons why I choose to create a digital journal in Kilonotes. 1. Creative template. Firstly, the choice of template is crucial. Creating a digital journal or plan cannot be separated from a good template. You can import your favorite templates from other sources or create them in the app. Kilonotes offers a variety of beautiful pre-made covers and also supports customization according to your preferences. After choosing the cover, there are many templates for you to choose from for the inner pages, with styles ranging from beautiful, simple to cool. Of course, Kilonotes Store will continuously update and create new templates, which you can use simply by downloading. 2. Hyperlinks. Let me explain how convenient hyperlinks are when making a digital journal. Once you download an ebook from the internet and import it into Kilonotes, it will automatically generate a navigational hyperlink. You can click on it in the outline on the left to switch to the page you want. You can also click on the hand tool in the upper right corner and directly click on the title in the ebook, which will automatically jump to the corresponding page. You can also add hyperlinks in your created digital journal, linking to the note page you want to jump to. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to create it directly in the outline in the upper left corner. There are 3 title levels to choose from. If you add an outline by mistake, you can click on the icon in the lower left corner to delete it. This is very suitable for organizing and planning schedules. The second is to click on the index tool. Circle the part you want to link and choose to add it to the outline. In this way, when planning, if you want to insert reading notes, you just need to link to that page and you can easily retrieve it in the outline without worrying about the notes being scattered around. 3. Picture cropping feature. Before I learned how to use a digital journal, cutting out images was quite time-consuming. You had to manually cut and tape them before use, and once pasted, they couldn't be moved freely. The digital journal removes this limitation. Kilonotes even offers various cropping options. One is the lasso cropping tool, where you can select the part you want, generate a preview, create a comparison image, and remove white edges. If you're unsatisfied, just click back to reselect. The second is the transparent background feature, where you just click the part you want to make transparent and it's automatically created. This option has saved me a lot of time. Kilonotes also supports adjusting image transparency, as well as regular and irregular cropping. The image processing capabilities are so powerful that I can edit the original images I've downloaded directly here without having to switch between apps. 4. Sticker library. Initially, I used Kilonotes to create aesthetic medical notes. Its features are becoming more and more complete, and recently it has even updated its sticker library. There are many stickers that medical students can use, which saves the step of importing images. Also, the cartoon style and rich colors make the notes more beautiful. With the built-in sticker library, it can meet my needs when making a digital journal, so I rarely look for materials online. Its variety is sufficient with stickers in different styles like sticky notes, journaling tools, etc. Here's a little tip. You can doodle on the stickers to make them unique and cuter. A few days ago, I discovered in the material library that it also has a paper cutting tool. You can choose the paper and folding method yourself, and then use your imagination to create unique paper cuts. This is so amazing! I hope you can also try this tool. 5. Aesthetic fonts. Remember the prompt I mentioned earlier about turning on the S Pen to text switch? Maybe it's because my own font isn't aesthetic enough, so I love to download all kinds of aesthetic fonts. Kilonotes has a powerful handwriting to text feature that can directly import various styles of beautiful fonts. It also allows setting different color sizes, as well as paragraph alignment options, making my journal and planner both aesthetic and neat. Finally, I want to ask those who, like me, are using Kilonotes. Do you know about this secret space hidden in the settings? You can only enter it by inputting a password. Share this with friends who love aesthetic journals and notes just like you.